Hello guys, INDIUM here. Today I'm gonna show you how to play with the Better Foliage feature on the Fabric modloader. As you can see, I have the 1.20.1 Fabric modloader, and I am actually having all the features of the Better Foliage mod, which are the little grass on the ground, the half covered block with the grass, the bushier bush, and the little leaves coming from the bush. Oh yeah, I did it. It's very simple, guys. It's a combination of a couple of mods and resource pack that make it so it actually looks like the Better Foliage mod. And I'm actually going to show you how to do it. Now what you will need is that to actually create a fabric modloader. I'm actually using Modrind, but you actually can use Prism or CurseForge, it doesn't really matter. You just need to have the fabric modloader. So I'm gonna make a fabric modloader. The version actually doesn't really matter. It works from 1.18 to 1.21.1, so I'm actually going to take the 1.21 just to show you that it works even on that version. Now that you have a fabric modloader profile, you will have to install a couple of mods first. I highly recommend to install Sodium, Iris Shader, and INDIUM, which are not necessarily if you want to have the better foliage feature, but if you are using the shader one, you actually have to get those three. We're gonna need to install two other mods to be able to have the features on. The first one is Continuity. Continuity is actually a replacer of the Optifine connected texture formats, so you basically will have to get that mod to actually make it work. Disclaimer, if you're using Sodium, you will have to get INDIUM. This is why I actually installed INDIUM with Sodium right before that. Then we will have to get the Falling Leaf one. The Falling Leaf mod makes it so there is actually leaves that are coming from the leaves. Here we go, you have all the mods that you need. Now we'll go to the resource packs. If you're using the 1.21.1 version, you will not have all the resource packs that I'm showing to you right now. So I highly recommend that you use Overdrive game version and that you disable the 1.21 version, Minecraft version that is shown right there. Then you click on resource pack and you search for the resource pack that I'm going to show you. We're going to search for lower sides. Lower side is a resource pack that makes it so the blocks are actually half covered with the grass. You will need the VERDANT VERDURE. This resource pack makes it so there is extra grass on top of the grass blocks. You will need the more grassy height. This resource pack makes so there is variant of tall and short grass. Then you will need the better leaf one. This one is a bit tricky. It really depends on what kind of bushes or leaves you want to have. Actually using the Modchen one because it actually have a lot of mods that I am actually currently using. So I'm taking this one. But you can actually use any of those from the bottom that are shown on the list. Then that's it. You should have everything needed to be able to have all the features of the Better Foliage mod and more. I'm gonna launch the game now. Now that I have the game launched, you can actually see that I am in Fabric 1.21.1. I'm gonna create a new single word so you can actually see by yourself. As you can see, nothing has changed now, but if you go to a resource pack and that you put all the resource pack that I told you to download and that you install it, you should be having all the features of the Better Foliage mod. I'm gonna put the shader just to show you. And here it goes.